How to use Muscle Monster app. Want to crush your fitness goals this year? Here's how to use the Muscle Monster app to track every rep, set, and gain. Start by downloading Muscle Monster from the App Store or Google Play. Create your profile with your age, weight, goals, and experience level. Pick from pre-built workout plans like strength, hypertrophy, or fat loss, or create your own custom routine with target muscle groups. Log your sets, reps, and weights after each workout. The app gives you detailed progress graphs so you can see gains over time. Use the built-in meal tracker and recovery timer to stay on top of your macros and rest days. Consistency is key. Ready to level up your body? Download Muscle Monster now and make every workout count. Thanks for watching.